Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the targeted anti-cancer drugs. As the name itself suggests, targeted, we can easily remember the drugs with the picture of a target. So here there are 5 rings. This is the outer ring 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll start from the outside. So when you see the outer ring is hit by 2 girls, Ima and Nilo, and when you see this highlighted pen's nib and there's T written on it, this is going to give us the hint that the drug is going to have a suffix of T nib. That is this T nib. And okay, you can appreciate that there are other nibs also in the target area. So now we are going to focus on the outer ring. So the outer ring is hit by 2 girls, Ima and Nilo. So the drugs are, they are Ima, T nib, T written on a nib, pen's nib, and nilotinib. And this is the outer tire which is made up of protein. So the class of drug is the tyrosine protein kinase inhibitors. Now when we see in the inside layer or the circle, this one, we see there are 3 eggs, 1, 2 and 3. Of the 3, 2 eggs were hit by the T nibs and one is safe. The other one has a map over it, Ram Setu map. So these 2 eggs were hit by GIF and Arlo. So the drugs are Jeffy with a nib on it will give us the drug Gefitinib. Arlo with a nib will give us the drug Arlotinib. And this is the Ram Setu map, Ram Setu G. G we use in Hindi for respect. So Ram Setu G map. So this will give us the drug Setu is CETU, Setu, Z, G is going to tell us Z, Z-I, and it's a map, M-A-P. So instead of map, we are going to write it as MAB. So Ram Setu G map, Setu Z map. So, and I've already mentioned that there are 3 eggs in the inner layer. So this egg word is going to tell us the class of drug, which is the EG. Instead of GG, we are going to write as EGF inhibitors. Now we'll focus on the third circle. What we see is there are these red lines drawn in the circle. These red lines are going to tell us that it's angiogenesis, that is vessels are being formed. So angiogenesis inhibitors. So now when we focus on it, we see there is a girl named Sunita. She is going to put a nib, T nib here, and there is another girl. Nobody knows her name, but she is Bevdi. Can you see? Bevdi means an alcoholic with a bottle of alcohol and a map in her hand. So and she is talking in Gujarati, Bevdi Soon or Bevdi Zoom. So the drugs Sunita with a T nib will give us the drug Sunitinib, and this Bevdi girl, Bevdi Zoo with a map will give us the drug Bevasi, Bevdi, Bevasi, and Zoo map will give us MAB, M-A-B map. So Bevacizumab. So these are the drugs under angiogenesis inhibitors. So now when we focus on the 4th layer or the 4th circle, what we see is there is a zombie drawn here, and zombie, it's a brand of protein powder. It's very famous. So when Isa got bored, he went to a Carfill station and bought a zombie protein powder. So the class of drug is protein zombie powder. Protein will give us the drug class proteasome inhibitors Zombie is going to tell us about the suffix. So bore is bortezomib, Isa is izazomib, and carfil will give us carfilzomib. So these are the drugs under proteasome inhibitors. And the innermost circle is the monoclone Ritu G with a map in her hand. Monoclone will give us the class of the drug monoclonal antibody, and Ritu G, with respect we are using this G with a map in her hand. So the drug is Rituzumab. Instead of map, we are going to say mab. So these are the various subclasses under the targeted anti-cancer drugs. Thank you for watching.